welcome back to me, Annie. Today we are going to be unboxing this Chelsea playground today. So this is Rachel, and she has a daughter. Her name is Kennedy. This is Abby. And her daughter's name is Hazel. This is me. I don't have a kid. This is Teresa. She has a little sister. And then we have Brittany here. So Eden, wherever she is, Eden just had a baby in the last video, and we opened up a little play set. So today we are going to be unboxing Brittany's daughter. Okay, I found a little opening here on the bottom, so I'm going to pull that open. Oh, and Eden got a new baby doll. If you didn't already see. Get it. Woo! That's how you do it. Woo! Giant thing. I'm a robot. Beep, boop. Beep, 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 boop, boop, beep, beep.
Are you a Barbie?
I'm a Barbie. I'm a Barbie. I'm a Barbie toy. You can come buy me at the store. No. No, you cannot. You cannot do that. That's just cuckoo. Okay, we're gonna go sing. Why did that not? Baby, sing. Ah, there. Okay, we got the slide. And the stairs. Can I see this? Can I see the slide? Yep. I don't have my baby. Baby. Gotta get in a little tiny grooves.
Let me try the baby do it. And it's gonna look like this, or you can make it into a water slide for babies.
Okay. We got
Really good.
Even
the
when
base
we want to take a bath, they can
where
go.
everything attaches. We got it. You don't even really have to cut the teddy bear if you are really good, and you can just slide that teddy bear out, but I'm gonna cut it because it's faster.
Everything is fast enough.
Everything is mostly faster when you just... Oh!
Holy mother.
Eden, you're right in the way.
Yeah, there you go, baby.
Ella, I'm pop.
Okay, she's almost out.
Bring it to the front so they can see it.
Oy. She's almost out. Is there stuff on the back or no?
I'm getting the stuff out.
I don't want to cut her hair.
There you go,
I
baby.
need a tiny bit of help.
Yeah, come here, give it to me. What's up? What's up?
Dee
Trying to
Dee's
get that
coming
one
in
out.
here to help. Because I don't want to cut her hair.
Oh, there's something stuck to her hair.
She
It's
has
like a little bit in her
How
hair.
No.
How do you
So far we have a little bit of it
Let's see.
open.
Let's let Ella put it together since it was her choice.
So,
She can put the slack.
There you go.
with the middle piece, there's little grooves, and you can
Little groove.
attach the purple
Something stuck in her hair still?
little
Yeah.
Okay.
ladder to the side, and then the clear, like, jelly-looking slide can attach to the front. Oof. So here's the little girl that came with it. Oh, and she has a rubber band holding her hair together.
Eden, you think that baby will fit in the swing?
Yeah, let's
Because it's got like a little holder.
check it out.
Let me check it out. Let me give it to you, boo.
Finally got that rubber
Oh.
band on.
That's the baby.
See? Check that out.
So
See, that's like a little
now,
holder for a baby. Here.
so
let me
now
put
we
that
have the
one back
girl
on here.
out.
It's a baby
She has
holder. It's the baby.
Yeah, there's a little baby holder
Okay.
for your baby. Or, you know, your teddy bear, which is kind of what it's made for. But it works best with babies, I think.
Well, that baby's crawling, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, this baby's in a crawling position, so it won't go in.
All right, let's put it together.
I'm gonna try the sister. I'm gonna try.
Okay, I put it all together.
Can I just-
I have to put this on.
All right, let's put it on.
Um,
Does it go on that side?
yeah, it's supposed to go on this side.
Okay.
Eden, you're right in the way.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Ah, this is hard. Oh, wait, hold on.
Hold on, baby. It's not ready yet, Edie. She's trying to fix it.
Okay, I think I got it on.
And then that's it.
a tad bit hard.
All right, so here it is.
So the girl, it has a bracket for you to put their waist in, and this actually does swing. And then the teddy bear goes in here.
Wow.
Here's the teddy bear. I'm gonna put the teddy bear in. Ow!
I want to put the baby in.
Okay. put
Baby, I think the baby's gonna fit in this one. I think that one's
baby
too
doesn't
little.
quite fit in that because it has to be able to sit.
Yeah, I think that one's too. I think it's too little.
Eden.
Yeah.
And there's, wait, we have a baby bear. Too. Little pink baby bear. And then
Some
we have
bears
another baby bear.
love each other.
So we have a lot of baby bears. I brought all the girls out so they could play with the playset.
Okay. It's her turn with the playset. It's her toy.
All right,
But
let's see.
everybody has to
Now check
share
this out.
it.
She
Yeah,
gets
check
to
this out.
try it
I bet
first.
the baby can go down.
Aww.
Yay! Here, you take my side, Eden, so you can take the baby down the slide.
Okay, you can come on the side.
I want to be the girls. Hey guys, look.
I'm gonna go on the swing.
I want to go on the swing.
You're doing the slide right now.
Wait, this is hard to get on.
Is she too big?
Oh wait, I got it. There we go.
Why? I don't want to sit down. What? I don't want to sit down.
So
We just need you to calm down, and you can try it
they
again.
can go on the swing because there's a little bracket.
Oh, cool.
There's a bracket that goes around the waist. I was accidentally putting it on her legs. That's not good. Doesn't go on her legs. So I think their hands can go into the little steering wheel.
I'm going down the slide.
For their
That's
hands.
a fun slide.
I'll hold it still for you. And I don't think you're supposed to do that, but I guess if you took off the swings, you could use this as monkey bars. That'd be cool. If you used it as little monkey bars. Let's see if it actually does fit in their hands, though.
Or can they just walk on top?
I bet the baby could crawl across the top.
Oh, that'd be hard.
Because it might fall through.
Yeah, that little baby could do it. That's a tough baby.
Hey, can I come in the swing?
Aw, yeah. Taking turns. There you go.
Look.
There you go.
Cut you off. I'm gonna see if their hands truly do fit in the little brackets that they're supposed to fit in, or if it just won't do it. And it works.
Hey!
So there are little yellow brackets. Where the dolls can hold onto the steering wheel. Wow, I just picked that thing up and nothing fell. That's good. Everything locks down in place.
Come on, baby bear. Come on, baby bear.
Here's your baby bear.
Puss,
I'm gonna get the
puss.
baby. So he's gonna need some help. Somebody's gotta pick him up and put him. You know what?
Go on, baby, go.
Kennedy will pick the baby up so he can crawl and go
Come
down
on,
the side.
bear. Come on, baby bear. Come with your
And we
mom
have
butt.
not like a swing for Chelsea's, but we have like a big swing for Barbies that we can add on to this little playground. And the little play set that we got, we can also add.
Whee!
That we just
I'm
got.
really high up.
So you can add other things to it just to make your playground bigger. Not that they're made to like attach onto, but
Watch
you know you
me.
can just put it next to and then boom.
Go
You
on,
have
baby.
Alright, we're gonna turn it back this way. And it comes up like over here, like
Tick, tick,
that.
tick, 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 tick. Baby.
Oh no, the baby bear!
Whee!
Or should that be mommy bear?
That'd be baby bear.
Cause like the little pink bear.
Come on, mommy bear. Go
So,
up.
The baby
Down,
wants to
up.
get up.
No,
Alrighty, so I think
Babies.
this is a lot of fun.
Chick, 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 chick.
Bobblehead. So this is a lot of fun. I hope you get it. Say bye, Eden.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.